Welcome. In this video, we'll provide an overview of global carbon emissions, their sources, impacts, and efforts to reduce them. Let's start with the basics. What exactly are carbon emissions, and why are they a concern for our planet? Carbon emissions primarily refer to the release of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. They are important because they contribute to the greenhouse effect, trapping heat and causing global warming. So where do these carbon emissions come from? Let's explore the primary sources contributing to this global issue. Burning fossil fuels like coal, oil, and gas for energy production is a major contributor to carbon emissions. Industrial processes, especially those involved in the production of cement, steel, and chemicals, release significant emissions. Deforestation reduces the planet's ability to absorb carbon dioxide, and burning forests also releases emissions. Agricultural activities, including livestock farming and fertilizer use, contribute to emissions of methane and nitrous oxide. Now let's look at the trends. What are the current levels of emissions, and how have they changed over time? Current levels are higher than ever before, with a sharp increase since the Industrial Revolution. Major emitting countries include China, the United States, India, and many industrial nations. While some developed countries show a decline, emissions are growing rapidly in many developing nations. The impacts of carbon emissions are severe and far-reaching. Let's look at some of the key consequences. Carbon emissions drive climate change, leading to rising temperatures, sea levels, extreme weather, and ecosystem disruption. Environmental consequences include ocean acidification, loss of biodiversity, and habitat destruction. Social and economic impacts include displacement, food insecurity, and increased poverty, especially in vulnerable regions. Efforts to reduce carbon emissions are crucial. What actions are being taken to address this issue? International agreements and policies like the Paris Agreement aim to limit global warming through various measures. The adoption of renewable energy sources like solar and wind power is a key strategy to reduce emissions. Sustainable practices in daily life and industry are vital for long-term emission reduction.